Felicia Hatcher, and I'm the chief popsicle of Feverish Ice Cream and Gourmet Popsicles. And today I'm going to show you how to make a bean popsicle. Yes, that's right, putting a vegetable in your popsicle. So we're going to start off with some red kidney beans that have been cooked and drained. We're going to start off with 2 cups of milk, some cinnamon, some organic evaporated cane juice sugar, some chocolate, deep dark chocolate, organic chocolate mix, and then 16 ounces of coconut milk. So I'm going to start by pouring in the coconut milk into the blender. And you want to pour in all 16 ounces. Then I'm going to pour in my dark chocolate. Next I'm going to pour in about 4 tablespoons of sugar, because you want the popsicle mix to be sweeter than usual because some of the sugar evaporates off when you freeze it. I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and then my 2 cups of red kidney beans. Last but not least, I'm going to put in my 2 cups of milk. So now we're going to blend everything up. All right, now that everything is completely blended, we are going to pour it into our popsicle mold. And this is going to make about 10 3-ounce popsicles. Then you put in your popsicle sticks, stick it into the freezer about 6 or 8 hours, and you'll have your frozen bean popsicles. And here we have it, our bean popsicles. My name is Felicia Hatcher, and I'm the chief popsicle of Feverish Ice Cream. See you next time.